Educate you guys about, as always, every week, tax literacy, financial literacy, on how to position yourself with your taxes, with your finances. Everything financial involves taxes. So if you position yourself with taxes, people, you will be okay. All right. So I'm excited to be here as always, and I'm ready to give you guys all of the hot topics down there are called plus up payments. Okay. So plus up payments are being sent out via check. And these checks are being sent to anyone that didn't receive their full stimulus check. It could have been from the $1,200, the $600, or the $1,400, because of, let's say, when you file your taxes for 2020, because the stimulus checks was actually a tax law that was written for 2020, but IRS use your 2019 taxes. Okay, so 2019's taxes, mostly this plus up payments is for people that actually maybe you had a dependent added on to your 2020 taxes. If your income changed. So these are the main two situations that will get you this plus up payment. So because from 2019, that's when COVID happened, early 2020, right? IRS based everything on your 2019 taxes. But this credit was actually for 2020 taxes, which is right now. So some people did not receive the stimulus check last year because of the fact that maybe their income was out of the range, or on their 2019 taxes, or they didn't have, let's say they had a dependent in 2020, but they didn't have a dependent on their 2019 taxes. Okay, so these people actually are receiving their post-up payments, and you're not going to get those direct deposit. You will actually get those via check. Okay, IRS is sending those out. So those are the post-up payments, and anyone that your payments, this is the round that IRS is actually working on right now, so that they can be able to send it to everyone that didn't receive their stimulus check because of the fact that their 2019 taxes, when they filed their 2020 taxes, it changed versus their 2019 taxes because the stimulus check was created upon for 2020 because COVID happened in 2020. Okay, so if your income was less, because a lot of people's income, most of everybody's income, depending on the industry you're in, but a lot of industries, your income did reduce significantly. Okay, people lost their job, people was on unemployment. So because of that, your income that was for 2019 is not the income that it was for 2020. So that difference, that huge difference in income, will actually qualify most Americans for the stimulus check. So one of the ways that you can actually claim your money and not even have to wait for those post payments via check, you have to file your 2020 taxes, as I explained. You file your 2020 taxes, and then with that income change, it will automatically ask you, did you receive your first 2 stimulus checks? And you will say no. Well, your accountant is supposed to do that, or the tax preparer, right? And then it will say no, and then it will automatically calculate your stimulus checks. Okay? So with that, that's what IRS is actually working on. So that's why your refund is held up, because they stopped issuing refunds. Okay, but the good thing about what they're actually doing right now is that they are going to pay you interest. Okay, so you are going to be receiving interest on your money. Yay! Money in your pocket, right? So you're going to be receiving interest on this money, and when IRS does send the refund checks out, because it's on hold. So they don't have an actual date when they are going to start sending these refunds that are being held up, right? But they are working on them very, very slow. They're very slow right now, and but they will issue you your refund check with interest. There you go. You made some money. Okay, so that is the update for the refund checks. And if you know anyone that has not received the refund check, just forward this video to them so that they can get the update regarding their refund. So